Let's talk about climate change, but first, a history lesson. It's the mid 18th century, over 80% of the world population is some way tied to farming. Some guy named James Watt invents a steam doohickey, and now only 1% are farmers. This Vive la Science also did some other stuff, such as, oh, I don't know, give us food, shelter, the internet, and literally everything we have today. And well, somewhere along the way, labor was automated. People had free time for once, and hooray, right? Wrong. We chanted Vive la Science a bit too much, and now our main source of energy is turning our world into an easy bake oven. If you look back on our planet's history, the average temperatures have fluctuated constantly, and this was mainly due to the slight shifts in its axis. However, the greatest changes in average temperatures have occurred in the last couple centuries. Oh, I wonder why. Anyways, here's a simple recipe to follow at home. Mix 8 cups of CO2, 1 cup of methane, a tablespoon of nitrous oxide, and a pinch of fluorinated gas in a standard mixing bowl, and you get yourself greenhouse gases. The alternative method is to burn fossil fuels, and oh boy, are we good at that. And the energy produced is needed, yes, but the uninvited side dish insulates our atmospheres, and well, you know the rest. And why is this a problem? Well, other than the fact that I don't really want to become a party pretzel dipper, the planet is on its last legs. If the huge ice cubes at the poles all melt, sea levels would rise by 70 meters, drowning everything from states like Florida to entire countries like Bangladesh. Hey man, that means the life underwater would thrive, right? No. The ocean is actually an incredible sink for both carbon and heat, and if the planet keeps warming up at this rate, so will it, and countless species will die. You know how coral in some pictures seem white or neon? Oh, well, that's actually their reactions to the increasing ocean temperatures, called bleaching. They do this by releasing their only source of food, the plant cells, because they can't photosynthesize properly at the increased water temperatures. The neon colors? Well, that's their last cry for help as they die of malnutrition. Now, I know everything looks quite bleak right now. We're past the point of no return with climate change and our pretzels are starting to cook. But we can still prevent ourselves from the worst. Reduce meat consumption, especially beef, and talk to your elected officials about what steps your city is taking to combat climate change. Look at these guys in Norway who are cleaning up their coastlines. For me, I'm volunteering to clean up local hiking trails. We can all combat becoming pretzels, one neighborhood at a time.